Hello students, this video is regarding a very important subject which usually taught in BCom semester, that is auditing. Today in this video we will talk about a very important chapter which is named as classification of audit. So in classifications of audit there are lots of things which is taken into consideration as far as its classes are concerned. So first of all, if we divide the classes of audit, the first is statutory audit, second is private audit, and third is government audit. If we talk about statutory audit, now I am going to give you explanation of each and every kind of audit which is been written here. First is statutory audit. Audit done according to any act. It's fixed. According to the procedures, according to the rules and regulations given in the act, the audit of the respected institution should be done by following the rules given in the act. So like audit of a trust is done by the Trust Act rule. Audit of the company done by the Company Act rule. Likewise, there are company audit as well. Company audit means audit of the company according to the Act, Companies Act. Bank audit can be done by Banks Act. Trust audit, Trust Act. Insurance audit, Insurance Act. And cooperative society audit of a cooperative society according to the Cooperative Society Act. Likewise, these are kind of a statutory audit, which is company audit, bank audit, trust audit, insurance audit, and cooperative society audit. Next comes private audit. Private audit is a kind of a voluntary audit, compulsory audit. Here, no acts are defined. They are done just for the satisfaction. Under private audit, the first audit which has been comprising is audit of a sole trading. Next is audit of a partnership firm. And third is audit of a non-for-profit making organization, that means NPO. So these are the kind of audit which usually comes in the sections of private audit. I am talking about classifications of audit under each of the classes. Next comes government audit. Government audit is done to know that the government office budgets are utilized or it is effectively used or not. There the auditors are appointed by CAG, that means Comptroller and Auditor Generals, by organizing the examinations, and also creates the panel from where the people are sent to PSUs of state, the central level, and the government offices. Here I have talked about PSUs. PSUs here means public sector undertakings. So these things is been for government audit. Next comes types of audit or practice audit. Auditor can do audit. Auditor can do audit in any way, because there are lots of ways, like continuous audit. After making all the accounts, the team of the auditor comes and does the audit of all the account and give the report to the respected owners. It takes near about 1 to 2 months. So by the same time, accounts are also be made and likewise audited. So fees are also charged at high cost by the auditor. Next is periodical audit. It also be known by the name as annual audit or final audit. After making all the accounts in the form of a perfect manner, the auditor teams comes to check, and after 1 month, or we can say after 20 to 25 days, auditor makes the report and send to the office. Next is interim audit. Sometimes we provide interim dividend, like 4 to 6 months accounts are audited. For 4 to 6 months only the accounts are going to be audited and check if our financial status are strong or not. Then we are in position to give the dividend or not. So to check whether we are in position to give dividend, interim audit is being made. Next is procedural audit. Auditors are appointed just to check that all the process of books of account are done or not. Next is standard audit. We says to auditor to audit only specific things, like you should do an audit for a cash book, you should do one for a passbook, and in which the doubts are there only audit done by the samples. Samples are also taken for the audit, so it usually comes in standard audit. Next is occasional audit. We give freedom to auditor to come for auditing at any period of time for to do audit of a company's account. Next is partial audit. When audit is done for just balance sheet or for just cash book or for just any doubtful book is kind of a partial audit. Next comes cost audit. Audit of a cost accounts done by ICWA, Here cost per units are calculated correctly or not is going to be checked. Next is management audit. The managerial functions, technologies of management, management decisions are within the company interest or not. These information are gained by the management audit. Next is balance sheet audit. Verifications and the valuations of assets and liabilities of balance sheets are done correctly or not is going to be checked in the kind of a balance sheet audit. Next is system audit. Accounts are maintained by the following accounting rules. Companies Act rules. So should be maintained according to these rules or not, or it is done by the company's secretary or not, that the procedures of account are maintained in a correct way or not is going to be checked in system audit. Next is complete audit. After analyzing of all the accounts, then the reports are given. Then it is called complete audit. After analyzing all the books of account made in the company, then the reports are going to be given by an auditor. That means the complete audit is been made. Next is internal audit. We can keep internal audit as an account maintenance. Auditing done as a solutions given at the same time is a kind of an internal audit. Next is cash audit. When auditing done only for cash book is called as cash audit. And at last it is operational audit. That means the 15th audit is named as operational audit. The audit or the checking of operations, checking of activities performed is called an operational audit. So this video is regarding the types of audit or practical audit. I have explained each and every kind of audit in a clear way. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching this. Do subscribe my channel Manish Kumar Verma Important Topics to get all important lectures regarding BCom. Thank you.